Located between Dallas and Fort Worth, Arlington is strategically positioned for business growth. With strong industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare, plus a large base of locally owned businesses, Arlington offers both opportunity and momentum for entrepreneurs ready to scale. In a city that moves quickly, Arlington entrepreneurs face constant shifts, both in opportunity and demand. That's why long waits for funding simply don't work. That's where New York Fast Funding comes in. We offer flexible, fast financing options designed specifically for hardworking business owners across Arlington. If your business generates at least $10,000 a month and has been running for 6 months or more, you're already on your way to approval. No hard credit checks, no piles of paperwork, just quick decisions and the funding you need when you need it. Wherever you're doing business in Arlington, New York Fast Funding is here to help you move forward with confidence. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.